Good afternoon, sir. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. Can you take a look at my car? It suddenly broke down when I was driving yesterday. I just brought it to service station last week. That top.
Is that so? Then how you bring it here? Is it running?
Yes. I tried again this morning and it's running. Not too smooth, but at last I managed to bring it here.
Alright, sir. I check the machine first.
Okay. And can you please check the brake? I think there's problem with it too.
How about I do the whole check of for you car, sir?
That's a good idea, sir. Please check my car thoroughly.
Alright, sir. You can wait in the waiting room 3. I'll inform you later for the progress.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I checked your car. The machine and brake can be repaired here, but I'm afraid we need to change the seat mirror. It's really broken and needed to change with a new one.
Is that so? Do you have a brand new one here?
I think right now we don't have the suitable owners for your car here, but I try to ask out her repair shop. Alright, they might have that model.
I get it. So you cannot finish it today?
It will be different, I think. I also need to repair the machine and I take a wheel. Maybe this will finish in two down.
Okay, that's no problem. Please make sure to repair my car thoroughly. You can call me when it's done.
Alright, cheer. Don't worry about it.
I left my car in your hands then. Thank you.
Okay.